Raashi Kriya, as codified and taught by Yogamaharishi Dr. Swami Gitananda Giri Guru Maharaj Ki in his Yoga Step-by-Step Lesson 45. Raashi in Sanskrit means a shock and could be termed in modern life shock therapy. This Kriya in the Jnana Yoga system is to accomplish the same end as some of the pratyaharas. Granted, this is a bit of a shortcut without value of the longer routine, and I much appreciate that student who goes the longer route before learning the shortcuts. This Kriya is a ploy rather than a technique, but it does fall into the Jnana Yoga Kriya group. I will now read what Swami Gitananda writes in the Yoga Step-by-Step and then guide us to the practice. Imagine that you're sitting, eyes closed, with two giant weights suspended from above on each side of your head. Imagine that you place your hands between the head and the suspended weights and push these weights far apart while inhaling a deep breath. Push as far apart as you can. And imagine that your arms could push away two heavy weights and push. Then imagine that you take away your hands and these two giant weights crash back together in the middle of your head. Concentrate upon that point where the flesh originates, where these two blocks smash together. That point is a deep relaxation concentration point. You may find yourself locked up inside of your head and literally fall into a deep trance-like state. Should this happen, remember that you can always move your little finger on the right hand, and full consciousness and awareness will return to you immediately. If you can approach this Jnana Yoga ploy without anxiety or trepidation, then you may find it produces the deepest relaxation state that you have yet achieved. This is also an excellent Kriya to teach children. They get a lot of fun out of it, and it has a tremendous positive value. So now, to practice this Kriya, let's take up a sitting position like the Vajrasana, sitting on our heels, hands on our thighs, facing north. We will practice 3 rounds of the Dhauti Pranayama, the Mukha Bhastrika cleansing breath. In this Bhastrika, while sitting in Vajrasana, we will inhale and then, puckering our mouth in the Kaki Mudra, exhale in multiple whooshes as we lower the torso and forehead to the ground. We will repeat this 3 times. Exhale to prepare. Inhale. Inhale, lift your chin, come back up to Vajrasana. Inhale one more time. Remain in Vajrasana as you relax your forehead to the ground, shoulders, relax your jaw muscles, your lips and eyes. Relax your arms and touch the soles of your feet with your hands. Become aware and full of care as you prepare for the Raashi Kriya. On your next inhale, lift your chin up, come up back to Vajrasana. We will perform 9 rounds of Savitri Pranayama in the 6x3 count, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Exhale to prepare. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 1, 2, 3. In. Hold. Out. Hold. 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 And relax. So remember, this is what we are going to imagine. We are going to imagine that there are 2 weights suspended from above each side of our head. Then we will imagine that we place our hands between the head and the suspended weights and push the weights far apart while inhaling a deep breath. We will push as far apart as we can while our arms push away the weights, and we push while inhaling. And then when we're ready, we're going to take our hands away while the 2 weights crash back together in the middle of the head. We will only do this one time, and it may take practice. Then we will concentrate upon the point where the flesh originates, or where the 2 blocks smash together, and witness. Just witness what's happening. If any feelings come up, any emotions, or perhaps a flesh originates, like Swamiji suggests. So let's practice it. Go back to the breathing and slowly imagine the weights on each side of your head. Imagine that you place your hands between the weights and the head and exhale here. On your next inhale, push the weights away from the head. Inhale, inhale, push, push, push. And release. And breathe. Gently move the little finger on the right hand. And slowly allow your awareness to return to you, the awareness of your body, of the physical space you're in, the sounds in the space, the light. Enjoy this Kriya's effects on your relaxation and quality of concentration. Bring your hands together in Namaskara Mudra. Exhale fully. Inhale.